Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have a beautiful new DIY that you can recreate for yourself. As always, it's simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For this DIY, I'm going to start with this plastic Dollar Tree bowl as well as 3 of these silver bling ribbon. And I'm just going to apply a little hot glue to the inside of the bowl. Then I'm going to glue down a strip of ribbon. Next, I'm going to be using this iridescent bling ribbon, and it is from Amazon. Next, I'm going to be using these diamond vase fillers from Dollar Tree. And lastly, what you see me here doing is just cutting the ribbon into individual strips. And I'm just going to add a chain that I already had, as well as a push light from Dollar Tree, and yeah. And here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. A really quick and simple DIY that you can recreate for yourself today. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, as well as hitting the notification bell and giving this video a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.